he is not only a breath of fresh air in Philippine politics, but truly a bright beacon of our beloved fatherland.
Honest to goodness public service sometimes can be a deep passion to many servants like us. That we are sometimes too engrossed in it with our devotion to serve the people that minsan nakakalimutan natin yung ating private life. Kaya ang payo ko kay Mayor Vico, huwag niyang kalimutan yung private life, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang love life. O baka gusto po niya i-idolize ang ating pambansang bachelor ng Senado, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. Of NCR.
Majority Leader, how old were you when you got married?
36 na po. So late na rin.
All right.
Late na rin.
He's got a long way to go.
Opo, yes.
But
5
I
more
understand
years.
I understand there are many applicants.
Yes, totoo po yan. Yan ang nababasa ko po sa internet.